Okay, so let's take a look at this tire repair kit with the storage bag. You know, some of these kits just don't have half the stuff you could probably need if you're actually trying to repair a tire. This one seems to have just about everything in hand. It says a storage bag, but this is like a storage kit. This is nice. Oh, hi guys. I've got a lot of Valuemax stuff here. I don't know, it's inexpensive. Just good all around stuff. This is something you could throw in your car. Throw it in your kid's car if you think your kid would ever use it. Let's just see what's in here. Okay, so there we go. This is really useful. How much pressure do we actually have on the tires? Now we can know. And two different handles here. We'll get to that. What is this? Oh, okay, some like lubricant. That's cool. I probably would have known that if I would have read the top of the bottle, but, you know, reading isn't my forte. Okay, got some cutters for cutting off the plugs. How many plugs do they give us here? A ton of plugs. Holy moly, look at all these plugs. They do give you, and this is waterproof. This is a great idea. So if you're out in the rain, can't remember how to use this kit, or your kid has it and they're actually going to use it, this is great. They give you the full instructions with pictures, and this feels waterproof to me. That's great to keep in here. Wow. Okay, see, again, set of needle nose pliers, so if we got to pull something out of the tire, you at least got something to try to do it with. What do we got here? Valve stem removal tool. And wow, and new valve stems. I'm not going to take them out, but look at this. So, or not new valve stems, new Schrader valves. So a Schrader valve removal tool and new caps for your valve stems. Wow, that's like, wouldn't even normally need that, but that's great to have. And then we got two tools. So, you know, we're going to get into the tire and auger out the hole first. We need to clean that hole out. That's what this tool's for. Big, easy to handle. That's great. They do have, a backup. That's kind of cool. So if you break this one or screw it up or something, you have another one laying around. That's great. So, okay, so we've got those. Auger out that hole. Take one of your plugs. Maybe lubricate a little bit, I don't know. And look at this. Plug goes through here, shove it in the hole in the tire, yank it out. This is a great idea because I've had these plugs just pull out before. So this little guy pushes the plug and makes sure it stays in the tire. So, bloop, stay in the tire, you're good to go. And then take your little cutter here and cut the plug off flush with the tire. This is a really full, expansive kit. And I'm all about it. This will just, you know, get you back on the road. Whatever you got to do. We use them around the farm here on tractors. So, yeah, it seems like a decent kit.